I can't say it enough. This film is a love letter to loneliness. It's addressed to anywhere, Tokyo. It's been written and signed and sealed with a cherry blossom kiss. It's a testament to the power of connection. And to see this unique story come to the screen finally, it just feels good knowing how many people are seeing this movie and walking away with something positive to say and feel about it long after the credits have rolled. Tokyo, like any metropolitan city, is a beehive of activity, and it seems there's an irony that it's possible to have such solitude and even an epidemic of loneliness among people. So that's why a rental family agency exists, to fill the need the clients have to make connection with one another on a level that's not superficial. Looking at screens is what we do so often now, and standing in for one another, even as a surrogacy or even as, a make-believe, is not so far-fetched when you consider the good that it does.